Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our activity. Viewers, when the dome fire tore through the Mojave Desert in 2020, it reduced 1 million eastern Josia trees to blackened skeletons. For the same, scientists expected the underground ecosystems to be equally devastated. Instead, they found it thriving. That unexpected outcome is detailed in the journal Fire Ecology, and it suggests that the loss of helpful soil fungi is likely not what is preventing Joshua tree recovery after the wildfire. Joshua trees, like other trees, depend on mycorrhizal fungi that help their roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Viewers, earlier research shows eastern Joshua trees in the Mojave Sima Dome area are host to diverse communities of these fungi, raising question. Raising questions about whether the fire erased them from the soil and whether that erasure is hindering the tree's recovery or just one part of a larger story. We thought the microbes would all be dead when we got there, said UC Riverside fungal ecologist Sydney Glassman, senior author of the study. The trees were devastated above ground, and usually the soil story matches that kind of destruction. At first, there was hopes for a recovery. In the days after the lightning generated 43,000 acre fire, a majority of the Joshua trees still had some green leaves. Amazing. After a year, survivorship dropped to 50%. At the 3 year mark, only 20% of trees in the burned plots was still alive. And the appearance of the burnt scar changed during the post-fire years in ways that made for a strange landscape. The dead Joshua trees became covered in a fire-loving, bright-colored fungus called Neurospora discreta. Viewers, the researchers believed much of the delayed reactions to the fire was likely due to compound stresses, including drought, and the trees were already mortally wounded. Then drought and rodents helped finish them off, said UCR research ecologist and paper co-author Lion Sui. Behind this exclusive report, FTV Hindi, Delhi, Bharat.